Yeah, yo. Yeah, yo. Moo la la. Yeah, yo. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I did a little hair tutorial on how to get these fun voluminous waves. If you want to see how to get these fun waves, just wait 1 second and I will walk you through it. Alright, so here I am. Okay, so first of all, you're going to need a heat protectant. We are going to brush my hair out. I washed my hair last night. I just let it dry for a little bit and then I just fell asleep and didn't do anything. So, you need a brush, you need the thermal spray, and you need a clip or multiple clips to hold your hair. For this, I'm going to use, I don't know how small it is, but it's very thin. It's not the thinnest I've ever seen, but it's not a huge wand. I'll have to find out how big it is and then I'll like link it in the description thing. Separate our hair into really little sections. Like, okay. So with this little section, this hair style takes a while. That's because you need to do in such small sections in such little strands. I'm gonna take a really little piece. Small piece, start from the top. I don't want to burn myself. I need to look in the mirror over here. Wrap it all the way to the end. Get it as close to the root as you can. Do not burn yourself. I am going to curl the rest of my head. Also, when you're wrapping it on the barrel, try to wrap it like as close as you can. Don't see how each piece is pretty close together. Try not to stretch it out too much. I know that, especially if you have longer hair, try to wrap them really close to each other so you get that really tight curl. Alright, I'm back. This is how we're looking so far. Got Shirley Temple vibes happening. So at this point, I have this top layer, and these little baby hairs are wicked annoying, but I have this top layer, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, from the section I have in the back, just take pieces down. Throughout my whole head, I've been doing one piece forward, one piece back, one piece forward, one piece back. So I'm going to keep doing that. I just wanted to show you the top and how I haven't sprayed any hairspray on anything yet. Right around my face, I'm going to curl towards the back. So now, where is my, oh, right behind. So now for the fun part, because that just took way too long. Here are how our curls are looking. I just think they look so, I wish my hair was naturally curly. I know you always like want whatever you don't have, right? So what I'm going to do is kind of pick my hair up like this and spray like up. Obviously, you want to spray the outside as well. I just got that in my face. So now, if you want to get real crazy, And if you don't want a middle part, I love, because it almost looks like it's flat and then it goes out, you can just flip. Do not die. Like, how cute does that look? You can run your fingers through them. I just want to let them like settle for a minute. Yeah, which way do I like it flipped to? I need to move back. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you tried out this hairstyle and how you like it. I'm just gonna be playing around with it for hours, and I will see you very soon.